Hello everyone, our project is AI Waste Segregator. Our team comprises of 3 members, myself Srinivas, Vaishak and Nischil. Our project comes under the area infrastructure. The problem statement is innovate to develop solutions to transform villages and towns to make them hybrid and smart.
Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of human life. In this project, we have combined AI with a dustbin so that everything is automated with minimum manpower involved. Hence, in this project, we have developed an AI-based smart waste segregation machine that can segregate the waste by itself and relay information about the status of how much garbage is in the bin to the collection center. This in turn helps in optimizing the resources available with the collection center, as collection trucks can plan their routes to clear the garbage bins that are nearly full, thus avoiding the overflow of garbage on the roads.
The programming language we have used for our project is Python. We use Google's machine learning framework TensorFlow and image recognition software OpenCV for the artificial intelligence part of our project. Our AI waste segregator model works on a Raspberry Pi which is connected to a camera module to detect the type of waste and segregate the waste by image processing. This is done by a conveyor belt which is placed on top of the bin. If the camera detects wet waste, the conveyor belt will rotate clockwise, and if it detects dry waste, the belt will rotate anti-clockwise. This is done using a stepper motor. The bin also has an ultrasonic sensor that can detect the capacity of the bin and notify the garbage collectors when it is almost full. Based on the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the garbage, the Raspberry Pi sends a message to the garbage collection unit using a GSM module. This message specifies the level of the garbage in the bin and the location of the bin. There is also an LCD panel at the top of the bin constantly displaying the amount of garbage in the bin and other useful information. Thus, an automated level of monitoring on the garbage bin will help in keeping the surroundings clean, as it will indicate the filling of the bin and gives information to the garbage disposer and collection truck. In this project, we have used custom-trained object detection using TensorFlow. We have collected 10 different classes of objects. The classes are plastic bag, cardboard, paper, plastic bottle, plastic ball, apple, balloon, banana peel, book, and wood. The experimental result shows that all 10 different objects were being detected correctly and the waste was being segregated into the respective bins. And when the bin is full, a message is sent to the garbage collector so that an automatic optimization of routes for the collection trucks may further ease in clearing the garbage in different locations on a priority basis. Further, we can train more objects and install them in the bin so that efficient waste management is ensured.
To know more about the issues related to waste management specific to our city of Mysuru, I have conducted a survey. As per the survey, we can conclude the following. 5% of the community thinks that there could be some sort of a reward system that could be associated with public bins and smart disposing of waste. A bin with an opening lid with a voice or gesture command would be helpful in many cases.